This is the Marine Outboard Engine 4-stroke Cutaway Educational Trainer. It is built from a real OEM marine outboard engine and precisely cut to reveal its internal construction. The trainer shows the complete mechanical layout, including the cylinder head, combustion chambers, valves, pistons, connecting rods, crankshaft, and camshaft drive system. The cutaway sections also expose the cooling water jacket, oil passages, and lubrication points, allowing students to clearly see how the engine is cooled and lubricated during operation. The intake and exhaust systems are visible, including port shapes and flow paths, helping explain air-fuel mixture delivery and exhaust gas removal in a marine application. The fuel system components are presented in detail, including the carburetor or fuel injection arrangement, fuel pump, and lines, so students can understand how fuel is prepared and delivered for combustion. The trainer also displays the gearbox section with gears, shafts, and bearings, showing how power is transferred from the crankshaft to the propeller shaft. The gear selector mechanism and clutch engagement system are clearly visible, illustrating forward, neutral, and reverse operation. Electrical system elements, such as the ignition coil, spark plugs, and wiring, are accessible for component identification and functional explanation. With all major systems exposed, from power generation to propulsion, this trainer offers a complete visual reference for the working principles of a 4-stroke outboard engine. It is designed for technical and vocational training, providing a safe, hands-on way to study marine engine design, component layout, and the interaction between systems without the risks of a running engine.